How to create a team workspace in Podcastle AI. First things first, you'll need to log into the Podcastle AI website. If you haven't registered yet, don't worry. We've got you covered with another tutorial on how to create a free account, and you'll find the link to it in the description box below. Once logged in, navigate to the upper left side of your screen, where you'll see a plus symbol button. Go ahead and click on it to open the team setup page. Here, you can personalize your team workspace by adding an image or logo and inputting a name for your team. You're also asked how many members you have in your team. Don't worry if you're not sure, you can always change this later. When you're happy with your settings, click the Setup and Continue button to create your team workspace. The next step is to invite your colleagues to your workspace. To do this, click the Invite Members button in your screen's top right corner. In the dialog box, input the email addresses of your teammates. You have an option to notify recipients via email. You can even share your workspace link with them. You'll see a Viewer button. Clicking on this allows you to assign roles to your team members. The Viewer role allows your colleagues to browse and comment on projects. Creator role empowers them to also edit, transcribe, revoice, or comment on any projects. And the admin role grants them the same privileges as you to create, edit projects, and manage workspace settings. Back in your team members page, you'll see each member's name, status, and the workspace role you've assigned. Here, you also have an at-a-glance view of the numbers of creators, viewers, and pending invites.